You probably didn't know this,
But you can be a token owner on Base
with
Network.
less than $50 only. Hello viewer, welcome to this episode of SMC DAO tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create your own base token and personalize it according to your preferences on SmithiiTools.io. The awesome thing is you do not even need to know how to code a token to create your own token on Smithii Tools. But before I get into it, if you have been enjoying our educational content so far, please do well to hit that subscribe button and buy into Wiki Cat token, our educational meme token on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. First off, open your internet browser and search on tools.smithii.io. This is the page that should appear. But if you notice, the token that is being shown, the token logo that is being shown is Solana. And we want to create a coin on Base Network. To do that, scroll all the way down until you find Base. And once you do, tap on it. Beautiful. Now we can create a token on Base Network. Tap on create token. It gives you this form to fill. Here you put in the name of your token, the symbol for your token, the symbol you want your token to be known by. It could be a short form of the name of the token, and the supply of the token. Here it shows you that most tokens use up to 10 billion in total supply. Next up, you can set the tax that you want. This feature enables creators to have a certain percentage per trade of every transaction. So you can set in if you want to have 2% of the trade, if you want to have 5% of the trade, if you want to have 10% per transaction. But please ensure that you do not set your tax too high to avoid scaring investors off. Next off, paste the receiver's wallet that you want to be receiving the fees in, and the fees would automatically be sent to that wallet. Before we get into the advanced options, you can scroll all the way down and you would see that the total fee for creating your token would be 0.01 Ethereum plus your gas fee, which is about $30 current market price of Ethereum of about $3,000. But if you want to customize your token to ensure that it is credible and it lasts for a long time for better publicity, better marketing, and better functionalities, you can go ahead to do the advanced options. So tap on advanced option, and here you can see two different functionalities. There is the multiple wallet distribution for the first functionality, and it shows you that here you can distribute the supply of your token on different wallets within the creation. This feature is good because it helps to ensure your token looks decentralized and avoids one particular token from holding major percentage of the whole supply of the token. It is also a good feature if you're working with a team of persons. Here you can send a percentage of the token on the launch of the token to your team members simply by toggling on multiple wallet distribution, and it shows you can add a maximum of 10 wallets for this multiple wallet distribution feature. Here you tap in the wallet address and the percentage you want to give to this particular wallet address. It could be 2%, it could be 10%, it could be whatever percent that you want to send in. And if you want to add more wallets, up to 10 wallets, you can simply tap on add another wallet and add another wallet until you reach the max amount of wallets you can add. This multiple wallet distribution feature goes for a fee of 0.01 Ethereum, which is about $30 current Ethereum price. Next functionality we will be looking at is add DEX Tools Socials and banner. This is great for marketing, this is great for publicity. It ensures your token is immediately listed on DEX Tools. It's a more affordable way to list your token and a better way for marketing and credibility amongst investors. So to get this feature, it is 0.15 Ethereum in fees. And if you want to list your token on DEX Screener, you can toggle it on, adding your website, your token Twitter handle, your token Telegram handle, the Discord handle, your token logo, and your token banner. and the token would be automatically listed on DEX Tools at the point of launch. The next functionalities we will be looking at are 3 important functionalities that ensures the security of your token on the market. The first is the anti-bot function. This prevents bots from trading your token by limiting it to 1 trade per block. The fee for this feature is 0.05 Ethereum. This simply means that your token will be immune to bot attacks, sniper attacks, which could cause discrepancies in your token chart and stability. So this is a good feature for that. You can tap it on if you choose to use that feature. The next is a very important feature. It is the anti-whale feature. It also goes for 0.005 Ethereum in fee. And this feature allows you to set limits when trading your token. This means that a particular token holder, wallet, or even a trade cannot exceed a particular amount that you set manually. If you are willing to use this feature, you can turn it on, scroll all the way down to manually set what you want to set. And first, you can set your token limit per trade. This sets the particular limit that can be bought or sold in one trade. This avoids massive dumps and massive buys, which could cause discrepancies in your chart. Next up, you can set your time limit per trade in hours. It's recorded in hours. This is also a good anti-bot feature as much as it is an anti-whale feature. It ensures that if a wallet buys at a particular time, based on the hours that you put in, the token holder or the wallet holder would have to wait for about 1 hour or the hour that you set before they can perform another transaction. The next feature is the total limit per wallet. All these features, you have to include them manually. For the total limit per wallet, you can set that you do not want a particular wallet to have over 500 million of a token or over 1 billion of a token. This is good because when investors are looking to invest and they search on the blockchain, they can see that the tokens are properly distributed amongst traders, and it will avoid sudden sells, sudden buys, sudden dips in the charts that could make the token look unsafe or unstable. And next up, using the active period feature, you can set the amount of days that you want this active period feature to be enabled. This means that at the launch of your token, after 26 days or whatever day you set, the anti-whale feature will then be disabled. It is good at the launch of your token because it ensures that your token has a good start, a good stable beginning. It avoids anti-whale features, it avoids a lot of bot issues, and gives an overall perspective or future of your token. The last functionality we will be treating on this topic would be the Airdrop Mode. And this feature goes for 0 Ethereum. It is a free feature, and in this mode, you can disable people or wallet holders from sending or trading the token until you manually disable the Airdrop Mode. This is good if you want to avoid some buys or sells at the launch of your token. However, it also has some disadvantages because once the Airdrop Mode is manually disabled, it may lead a lot of holders to sell off at a particular time and cause a great dip in the chart. So once you have chosen all your functionality, you can go up again and ensure that you have picked all that you want, toggled on all the functions you want. Then you can scroll down, and Smithii gives you an automatic total fee of what you would need to pay to create your own base token. Connect your wallet and ensure that you have your Ethereum in your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you can pay for these,
And you have officially become a token owner.
If you want to learn how to create a liquidity pool for your base token, check out our next video, how to add or create liquidity in your token on Base network.